Always first at the finish line. First to the plate when it's dinner time. First to escape when this shit goes down and these motherfucking clowns finna finish mine. Flow too real, hit 'em with a rhythm rhyme. Tim's on cause it's cold in the winter time. I'm a boss, yeah, you know that I'm finishing. Got the money in the bank like it's intertwined.
Ça va?
You're my friend.
Good morning.
Hey, Fischi.
Good morning.
Ça va?
Tu vas bien?
Nickel.
Yeah, changing weather conditions yesterday over the night was making the tracks really difficult, slippery, I would say. Full muddy, look at me. Not easy to ride, but had fun on the bike, was feeling good, so I'm happy with the day.
So training day finished, quite a busy one, I would say. You know, we had a few rains during the previous days, so it made it really interesting, I would say. Like all the tracks were pretty slippery. It was hard to ride. It was hard to like just keep the momentum the whole time, you know, because there's always roots, so you're kind of like getting really wild in some places. So yeah, we'll see how it develops. You know, we still got 2 days until the race, but overall good day.
It was a really hard day because you have to push everywhere, to carry some speed because it's slippery, so you lose the speed everywhere, and so it's not really flowy. So I lose a lot of energy today, so it's good that tomorrow we are not riding, so I can chill and be ready for the race. Honestly, I'm happy with 6th place, definitely. The day started really not good for the whole team. In the power stages we did some big mistakes. I had a little crash, lost 20 seconds already in the first stage, but then I could catch up. I was in the, I think, midday. After 5 stages I was in 3rd or 4th position. So I tried to went for the podium, but somehow the last 3 to 4 stages I was not riding really well. I did a lot of mistakes. In the end, 6th place, it's definitely not bad. Everything going in the right direction, and next time we fight for the podium.
So the day started kind of slowly. To be honest with you, I didn't know what to expect in terms of conditions in the track and so on. Overall today, the good thing is that I didn't really give up. On the stage 3 we were not really good in the overall, and we somehow made a switch mentally, and we could I think we did like 2 second places or 2 third places, 1 second place, 1 5th place. Like overall it was good to salvage points in the certain stages, but definitely we struggled so much in 2 power stages and one of the downhill that we did just so bad, and overall we just ended up 9th. But yeah, into the next one.
It was a really bad beginning of the day, but then the good stage were coming, and I was going back in the mix, and I was battling all the way all the day to the top 10. So I had some really good stage, 1-4, 1 second, 1 5th. So, but in the power stage I lose too much time. So it is what it is. I know what I have to work and into the next one.